sa mga malalayo. Si Coach Tim Con yung malalapit.
Yeah. Tsaka dito kasi, pag nakuha nila, nakapag-shoot sila sa lahat ng spots, they have bonus points of 10 points.
Ano naman, relax na relax si Jojo Lastimosa. And again, that system working for them, Coach Tim Con, yung sa malapit, Jojo sa malayo. First miss ni Jojo Lastimosa from the field. Again, we're following the same two-ball rules that we used earlier on. Pero ito, dire-diretso tayo hanggang finals. Lala.
Yes.
Para habang nagpapahinga yung Crispet Toyota, ito muna ginagawa natin.
Tama. Dito sa mga spots na ito may corresponding points.
Yes. Ayun, kay Coach Tim Con, 3 points yun. Ito kay Jojo, 8 points and that's good.
Alright, tingnan natin muna kung may penalty ba sila.
Tingnan natin yung official score.
Okay.
Habang hinihintay
Wait for
natin,
the
Lala.
official score.
Sino ba ang bet mo dyan?
Sino ba? Eh kasi kanina pa rin sinasabi eh. Balita ko si Coach Ryan of Pure Foods, shooter talaga yan, way back college.
Oh, yes. And of
Kapartner
course,
pa si Ronnie Magsano.
Yun ang ating
my God. 36
36 points. So they set the tone. Ay, pero ito naman, the trigger man, Coach
Well.
Alan kay Dick rin. At saka, si Coach George Ella.
Let's see if the trigger man still has got the touch.
George Ella for the first 2
Right.
points.
Parang
Coach
gano'n din
Alan.
ang style nila, no, if I'm not mistaken. Boom.
Yeah.
Lahat ng malayo si Coach Alan.
Oo. Ayun, nandun pa rin siya sa may 8-point line. Finally.
Yun. Favorite spot.
Oo. So he's going to stay there. It seems na yan ang magiging sistema nila. But remember, napag-usapan natin kanina, Lala, na kailangan makashoot sila sa lahat ng ano, no?
Ng spot.
Kundi, minus 10 points yan. Kahit na napakataas ng nagawa nila. Coach Allen again now feeling the touch, feeling the stroke from the outside. Coach Ella missing from the 5-point mark. Coach Allen from 7. Wala. Alternating uli ha. Paalala lang natin, Lala. Hindi pwedeng dalawang sunod na tira for each player. 7 seconds. Coach Allen lining up sa 9-point area. From the corner. Short.
Sumasablay. Yun talaga yung favorite ni Coach Alan.
And for the last shot. And Coach Allen visibly disappointed. Feeling niya he could have done a better job. So Alaska had 36 points. Barangay Nebra has 31.
31 points. Well,
Reyes and Coach B-Boy Ravanes. Such an exciting event. I mean, not only this event, Lala, but the other events that we had today.
I know.
Napakasaya dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
At
Festive atmosphere.
Yes, of course. Ito, umpisa pa na ito. This is the first day of the PBA All-Star Weekend.
Ano, Olsen? Ano?
Si Olsen. San Miguel daw. Kanina tinatanong natin kung sino bang mananalo. Oops.
Wala. Coach Chot from the 7-point mark. Wala.
Can we like to repeat the top two in
Ayun, sabi ni Rolly Manlapas, top 2 ang maglalaban sa finals. Coach Chot Reyes from the 7-point area. Good.
win the two-ball competition?
B-Boy Rabanes. Coach Chot missing the bank shot. B-Boy Rabanes now from the 9-point line.
You have 15 seconds.
Coach Chot Reyes from the 8-point line. Malakas. He cannot shoot again. It has to be B-Boy from the 3-point area. Wala. 3. From the 8-point mark, Coach Chot Reyes. Nothing but...
We got 2 seconds and
Oh!
wala. Hindi rin pumasok.
Alam mo, B-Boy Rabanes in his playing days was very much known for his defensive capabilities. Oh, talagang napakagaling yan. Yan dumidepensa sa mga import. Ayan.
Score! 26 points!
Dalo- Coach Derek, underneath, hindi counted yan dahil kailangan nakatapak at least ng isang paa. Yun ang rule na. Coach Derek from 15 is good. First 4 points. Coach G missing. From the 3-point mark, wala. They still have 4 points across their names. Coach G gets the bounce. At nakaka-8 puntos sila. 7-point mark. Coach Derek lumabas pa.
So far, the pair of Coach Timon and Jojo Lastimosa have the
Coach G, 8 points pa rin ang FedEx. Naku, hindi counted yan kung hindi pumasok. Coach G from underneath, 2 points. So that's 10 points by my unofficial count. Coach Derek from the outside, wala pa rin. Coach G Abanilla,
You have 10 seconds.
they have 10 seconds. And by my unofficial count, they only have 10 points, make that 15.
Teammates in the Della South team. Lady
Tama. Coach Giovanilla at hindi aabot yung huling tira.
Wala na.
And ako, ang unofficial ko, 15. Let's
15,
see.
let's
So it
see.
is
Yeah,
correct.
you're right.
Finally.
15 points.
May nakuha rin akong tama.
Namumuna pa rin ang Alaska with 36 points. And, well, sumusunod ang Barangay Ginebra
Here's my bet.
with 31 points.
Here's my bet. Ito na
Let's
yung...
see. They have to beat 36 points of Alaska.
well, I play with Coach Ryan Gregorio, so I know what he's capable of doing.
Okay, let's see this.
Unang-una
Alright,
agad.
shoot agad.
4 points. Ronnie Magsanok, we all know what he can do.
Alright.
Do I need to add? 12 points. Ryan missing from up close. Coach Ronnie from the corner, wala. 42 seconds. Coach Ryan, kapos. Dating pareho taga-UP. Another 9 points for them. Coach Ryan from up close. Coach Ronnie again from the same spot. Not the same result. Coach Ryan from up close. Wala. Ronnie again from the... Mainit si Coach
Parang
Ronnie.
doon yung favorite
Oy,
spot
mga malalapitan.
Coach Ronnie Eta.
Oo nga. Ayan na naman. 2 more shots. Time for 2 more shots for Coach Ryan Gregorio. Medyo inaalat, ha? Ronnie for the 9-point shot. Yes! Let's see what the official count is. Napahiya ako ni Coach Paul Ryan Gregorio.
Warm-up lang daw yun, warm-up.
39 still?
Got
Still?
39 points. It's like Coach Ryan kay De kanina. Favorite nila yung spot na yan.
49 minus 10 is 39.
Uy, may minus 10 kasi may na-miss yata silang spot.
Oo, may hindi sila nakuha ang spot.
I think it's the 7-point spot na hindi nila natapakan. So
So,
bababa
Red
sila.
Bull na.
Coach Yeng Giao
And Kirk Collier.
that's right.
Okay, let's go.
So naibaba sa 29 ba? Ang
No, 39. They got 49
49.
points.
Ah, sayang pala.
Bawas pa yun, ha?
Coach Yan Yao in his uniform. Look at that.
Kurt Collier missing. Coach Yeng Giao, bagay na bagay siya kanya uniform ng Batang Red Bull, ha? What a touch from the 15-foot area. Coach Kurt Collier, not counted daw, sabi ni referee Ernie De Leon.
Hey, the referee.
Hindi raw tumapak. Wala na naman. Sayang yun. I think Kirk has to understand that he has to step on the mark. There, that's better. But he misses. Coach Yeng Giao from the 3-point mark, making sure he steps on it. There you go. Top of the circle.
Oh.
Hindi na naman counted yan kung pumasok. Coach Yeng Giao from the 2-point mark.
He should step on the...
There you go, that's better. But he comes up short. Time for around 2 more shots, Lala. Coach Yeng Giao drilling one from the 3-point shot.
3 seconds.
He steps on it, gets it to go. Just in the nick of time, Batang Red Bull team of Coach Yeng Giao and Kirk Collier.
Natin natin yung official count.
Wala akong unofficial count. Eh.
Oo nga, wala na unofficial count. Well, nag-uusap pa sila kasi marami ring mga
25.
balls. 25. Meron kasi mga shots si...
For Coach Jong Wichiko and Assistant Coach Art De La Cruz. Olsen is right underneath the goal again.
Baliktad ngayon ang role nila. Before he was a player, now he's a coach. For Coach Jong.
Oh, Coach Jong,
And
who used to play under Coach Ron Jacobs.
Yeah.
Rattles out the 5-point shot. De La Cruz, obviously playing for San Miguel before he decided to be an assistant coach. De La Cruz, easy short stab. Ito pa, isa pa kay Coach Jong. Wala. 28 seconds. Art De La Cruz back in that 3-point mark. Coach Jong na naman. Wala. They go to the free throw. Meron pa yata silang hindi naka-cover. Oh, Art De La Cruz still has the touch. Coach Jong from the 3, rims out. Dito naman. So they cover all the spots, I believe. Art De La Cruz is hot. Meron pa sila yata hindi nako-cover yung 9-point area. Correct me if I'm wrong. From the 5 points, Art De La Cruz.
Sayang.
Meron sila hindi na-cover.
Oh.
Yung 9-point mark. Yun ang,
9.5.
baka mali kami, but we'll see. May penalty yan. Minus 10 points kung sakasakali. 33. Not bad. A great coach, a great motivator. Let's see what he will do tonight. Good from the 5-point mark. Coach Jigs. Tapos. 7-point mark. Overshoots. So they have 7 points. 7 points pa rin. 12 points. From the 4-point mark, Coach Perry overshoots it. Has to scamper for the loose ball. 9-point mark for Jigs. Wala. 30 seconds remaining. Coach Perry from 7. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Jigs from the 8-point mark is short.
You have 18 seconds, Coach.
Perry off the glass. Wala. 4 points. There you go. Let's see. Coach Perry goes to the 9-point mark. Make that 8-point mark.
Whoa.
Wala.
5 seconds to go.
From 9-point area, wala pa rin. One more shot from 2 points.
Okay, pasok daw. So far, nangunguna pa rin ngayon ang Pure Foods with 39 points, followed by Alaska with 36 points. Well, Shell got 18 points.
Dalawa pa.
Oh, retro hairdo.
Adonis misses from up close. Coach Al Francis short on the 8-point mark.
Hair like that again.
Adonis from 7 for 7 points. Plus 4, that's 11. Trying from the 9, that's 20. Coach Al Francis rattles out. 20 pa rin by my unofficial count. Coach Al Francis from the 3-point area, make that the 8-point area. 28 points, and he goes back to that spot. Gets the pass, steps on the mark, and comes up short. 9-point mark. Good for Adonis Tierra. Coach Al Francis scampers to the 8-point area, gets it to go. Naiwan ko na kung saan na yung bilangan nila. Ito, Coach Al Francis, one more shot from the 3. Yes! Mainit.
Init, oh.
It's all in the hair. It's in the hair. Uy, mataas. 47
Wow.
so far.
Now they're on top.
El Vanguardia. Coach Joel Banal. Oh, no count. Dahil di raw tumapak. Coach Joel Banal from 7.
This guy gave the Ateneo Blue Eagles the very first
Yes, from the 8-point mark, that's 15 points. From the 9-point mark, that comes up short. By my unofficial count, they have 15. Ariel Vanguardia missing. 3-point mark, they have 18 points.
24 seconds to go.
Ariel throws it up. Wala.
39 points.
From the 7-point mark, Coach Joel Banal has a nice stroke to his shot. They use the back shot. Coach Joel, enough time for around 2 shots. Coach Joel rims it out. One more. Coach Ariel, wala. Pwede pa.
Last shot.
Oh!
He misses.
Let's see the scores of Coach Joel again.
Mukhang line of 3 boom.
Talaga, tingnan ko. Ayoko namang hula.
Tingnan natin.
Ayun.
Oh, they got 32.
Well, you know what that PBA, si Coach Ronnie Magsano, talagang pinakita naman niya. He used to be called the point laureate of the PBA at pinakita pa rin niya that he has got the touch together